how to get your iPhone photos on your iPad. So I'll show you two different methods on how to do this depending on if you want to sync all of your photos or just a select few photos. Now first thing we're going to do is unlock our iPhone and you need to load up your settings. You can then click on your profile name at the top of the page and then go and select iCloud. Now click on Photos and you'll see Sync this iPhone. Make sure this is turned on and enabled. You'll then need to wait for all of your photos to sync to the iCloud. If you see the Sync Now button, make sure to go and click this. Now you also need to make sure you have enough storage space in the iCloud to sync them across, so you may need to purchase more space depending on how many photos you have. Once you've done this, you can head over to your iPad and go and load up the settings. Click on your profile name in the top left hand side and make sure you're signed in to the same Apple account that you're signed into on your iPhone. You can then click on iCloud and select Photos. Make sure Sync This iPad is turned on and enabled, and this is going to sync all of the photos from your iPhone over to your iPad. Now there is another way to transfer photos between your devices as well, so let's head back over to our iPhone. You can then open up the Photos app. Click on Select in the top right hand side and select the photos you want to share to the iPad. Click on the share icon and then press AirDrop. Now come over to your iPad and swipe down in the top right hand side of the screen. Now click on the AirDrop symbol and make sure this is turned on. Now you should be able to see your iPad appear on your iPhone in the AirDrop, and you can simply go and select your device like so. You may get a pop-up message on your iPad that you'll just need to go and accept, and then you can go and send photos straight from your iPhone over to your iPad.